How's it going, everybody? This is Fast Lane Fixer, and today I got another go-kart. So it's just a pretty ratted out little go-kart, but I got it for $50. So this is going to be the cheapest go-kart I get so far, anyways. It has a 5 horsepower Briggs and Stratton engine. It doesn't have a gas cap, so there's water in there. And I kind of got a little excited, got ahead of myself, and I already drained the oil. As you can see, that's not looking too great. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the engine off, take a better look at it, clean up the gas tank because it's all rusty in there. And yeah, we'll see what all needs to be done. There we go. Okay, now I think I'm gonna go ahead and get all this off, get the fuel tank off, carburetor, everything like that. Look at that rust, that is mine. Look at that. Look at that just flaking off. There we go. Got this off. I was just getting the muffler off so that I could get to stuff better. You can't see in there, but there's some kind of fluid. It looks like oil. Look at that. And it does not smell good at all. I'm gonna go ahead and get back to work on trying to get this carburetor off. Okay, I think I got everything loose. Okay. Yeah, it's not too great in there. Now let's see if we can get the gas tank off.
It ain't getting spark or something.
Well, it's getting spark. I got shocked by it. Okay, now that we're getting the exhaust back on, it should fire up, hopefully.
You got some either?
Maybe not.
It's like the intake valve is stuck open.
It might be.
Just pull the head off real quick.
Okay. Now, put this baby back together.
Flooding. I don't know. Okay, it runs. You just, once you get it gas in it and stuff.
Well, there you go. You got it running on starting fluid. So tomorrow I'm gonna get some gas, get that tank cleaned up, and then we'll see if it can run on its own. Okay, so it's the next day, and I went ahead and took care of the tank. I got as much off as I could. Got it back on. So now we're gonna put some gas in it and see if it'll run. Okay, well, it runs if we keep giving it throttle, but it won't idle. So, yeah, I don't know what to do. Okay, so I went ahead and sold the Briggs and Stratton engine to my brother for $20. So now I only have $30 in that go-kart, which I think's not that bad. Got a torque converter and everything. And I went and got pretty much brand new Predator for $80. So, found it on Facebook Marketplace. I mean, it starts right up. So this is what we're going to be putting on there. And yeah, let's go ahead and put it on. Okay, so I think it looked pretty perfect right in there. This belt is super thin, so I don't think it'll actually be able to really go anywhere, but we'll try to drive it anyways. See what it does. get to it. Okay, so the reason I sold the Briggs Stratton is because I'm building this go-kart for a friend, and I really just want a reliable engine, and that thing wasn't very reliable. So that's why I sold it, in case you were wondering. Now, I got this engine on, got the torque converter on and everything. Now, I think I'm gonna go ahead and drain the little bit of gas that's in there and put fresh gas in it, because I don't know, it might be bad gas. And then see if she fires up. I got it running, but it won't idle. So I'm gonna do a little playing around with the springs, see if I can get it to idle right. So yeah, it doesn't idle without being choked. So I don't know what's up with that, but I think I'm probably gonna get another carburetor, and that should fix it, because I think this carburetor is just really junk. So I'm gonna order another carburetor. Okay guys, I got the belt and the carburetor in the mail today, so I'm gonna go ahead and put those on, and hopefully it should be fine. Okay, I'm gonna get this thing up on a block of wood and see if it runs. Okay, it runs. I just need to adjust the idle. Should run perfect. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and switch out the belt also. Alright, pretty sure I just need to move the engine back a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it idling right first. Okay, that runs amazing. So I just gotta loosen up the engine a little bit, scoot it back, we should be good. Okay, so the belt is not lined up. The two pulleys are way off, and that's gonna cause a lot of wear. So I think I'm gonna have to take the drive pulley off, space it out from the engine, and that should fix it. Okay. Go ahead and get it down on the ground and see if I can take it for a test drive. It's just way too, the belt's too wide, because I think I need some washers in the drive pulley that are missing. So I'm gonna take it back apart, put some spacers in there, and then we'll try that again. Okay, so I got the washers moved to this inside the torque converter. So the belt does not just grab really easily now. As you can see, it doesn't turn the driven pulley, which before you turn this any and it was driving it. So now I'm going to start it up again and hopefully it works. It's not getting full throttle. So I want to see if I can get that fixed, and then we'll go for another ride. Okay, so the problem ended up being right here. So this little piece was bent like this, and it was hitting the bar, which was keeping it from going any farther than about like that. But now it can go a lot farther. So we checked, it's getting full throttle. Now I'm gonna take for a ride again. But I think it's ready. So thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next time.